Welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your local disk C when you see the red like this. What you have to do is first go to the download option and from here click Ctrl+A and delete all the unwanted downloads you want. Now go to the documents option. From here you can see from share it you can easily clean all the file, and from the studio the unwanted file you want you can easily clean it from here. Now go to the start option and you can search on here control panel. Click on it and click on the uninstall a program, and you can easily uninstall a program that you don't want in your PC. Now I'm going to remove and uninstall this KM player. Click uninstall, click yes. Alright, now in here search recycle bin, click on it and click Ctrl A and delete all. And if you go to this PC, you can see the PC is just clean up. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, share and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.